Fatora has helped thousands of merchants to succeed in their projects. How? Through one platform that has everything your business needs. From promoting your products and services to collecting your payments online in very simple steps. Create your own online store and start selling your products and services. Or use the payment link to create custom pages and easily collect payments from customers. Also, you can create invoices and bills with corporate identity that shows your professionalism. And if you have a shop, use the cashier system, which facilitates the sales progress for you. And another great advantage, such as linking with many apps, e-commerce platforms, and e-payment gateways. Help your business succeed. Join thousands of happy merchants and start your success story with Fatora.